Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to be doing some Halloween decorating, and I'm getting so excited for Halloween, and my husband and I decided to do a little bit of decorating here in our family room. And it's not as much as I have done in previous years because I feel like I have so many Halloween decorations that I just haven't put to use because I just don't know where to put them this year. Because like I said in previous videos, I am trying to do things a little bit more minimally, but I did want to change things up a little bit. So instead of putting the bats coming out of one side of my fireplace like I usually do, we decided to try them coming out of both sides of the fireplace. So that is what we are going to be doing today. But stick around to the end of this video because I did make a yummy fall treat that is super easy to make, and it was a hit. It was delicious. So stick around and see what we make at the end of the video. I left most of my Halloween decorations in my storage unit, but I did get this black spooky tree that lights up, and it's really big, and I had that last year, but it has a little base that goes on the bottom and I can't find it, but I did have it in a vase. So I'm wondering if I should bring that in and maybe put it in that vase right there by my husband. I don't know if that would look weird or not. I do have another vase, but it might not be as tall, so I'm wondering if I should bring that in and make it a little extra spooky. If I do, I will include that in one of my next videos coming up. I will be doing a complete fall Halloween house tour, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss that video. And I did also do a little bit more Halloween spooky decorating on our front porch, and I've already posted that video, so I will leave that link here if you want to go check that one out if you haven't watched it already. I'm deciding to do this now, but because you can't see it, but I've been wanting to put something here because it's just the same stuff that's on the wall. I wanted to put a piece of marble or something, but we haven't done that yet. So I'm just gonna paint that black so that this black piece kind of blends in with it. But yeah, you can't even see it, but I'm gonna go ahead and get it done. Well, I knew I had some black paint in the garage, so I bring it in and start painting, and I do realize that it is not regular paint. It is an enamel paint that I used on our doors, but I decided to go ahead and use it anyway because I'm just so impatient, and this wood paneling that is there will probably just get thrown out whenever we change out what we're going to put here. But I just did one coat because I really wasn't liking the finish and the way that it looked. So I figured that I'll just go to Home Depot or Lowe's or something and get probably one of those sample sized things of black paint and finish it up with that. But for now, I just got this coat on to see what it would look like, but I can definitely see that it's kind of bleeding through, so it needs another coat, and I think it'll look so much better. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I went ahead and added that creepy, spooky tree into that vessel over there, and it's a battery operated tree and it lights up, but I don't have any batteries right now. My kids use them all, so I can't light it up, but I will get some batteries for it and make it look spooky in here. And then just the bats, pretty much everything else. Oh, and the bunting on the fireplace. I got that last year at Home Goods, and I think these bats are so cool because it is a super easy and inexpensive way to decorate for Halloween, and you can get these bats on Amazon, and I've had these for several years now, so I think you can get them for under 10 bucks. You get a huge pack of them, super easy to decorate with. But yeah, I've got some Hocus Pocus turned on that I'm going to finish playing, and my little spooky tree, and that's the Halloween look for down here in the family room. So now we are going to go to the kitchen and start on a super easy Halloween fall treat that even the kids can make, so stick around for that. Going to make a quick and easy fall or Halloween treat, and they're going to be these little s'mores. I'm just going to put them in the oven with the graham cracker, these tiny little pie crusts, which are so cute, and then just going to put some of the Hershey's in there with some marshmallows on top, so super easy. Okay, you guys, this is the super simple fall Halloween treat that I made, and oh my gosh, it is so good. It's super simple. It's just a basic s'mores, and usually we really hardly ever make s'mores, so if we did, we would be having a bonfire and have all the stuff outside and make them. That's just the way that we've always done it, and they're so messy. Everyone has marshmallows stuck all over them, so it's just not something that we do a lot. And I saw this recipe, I don't even know where, or an idea, I guess, and I decided to try it out. So I basically just ordered all this stuff from Target Pickup, these cute little mini graham cracker pie crust. They are so adorable, and some Hershey's candy bars. So I just broke off, I think, 5 pieces. You could probably put 4 or 5 little squares in the pie crust, and then I used these little mini marshmallows, which I think you could probably use big marshmallows. It really doesn't matter. A marshmallow is a marshmallow. So yeah, I put the marshmallows on top. I made it nice and full, and I put them in the oven on 350 for about 10 minutes. I just kept checking to make sure they weren't burning too much. But I mean, I love a burnt marshmallow. That's kind of my favorite part about marshmallows, is when they are burnt. So I wanted to make sure they got nice and brown on top. I did take them out kind of before they were really too much brown, so I'm not sure if the way I did this affected it, but I took them out and they were so fluffy and beautiful. And then I was like taking some pictures and stuff. As you can see, I'm making a TikTok in this video. I don't make a lot of TikToks, but I thought I'm gonna make a TikTok. This seems simple enough that I could do a little TikTok, so that's why I have my phone set up there. But yeah, I took them out of the oven, as you'll see here in a minute, and they just look so fluffy and beautiful. And then I turned my back for a minute and they had deflated, so the marshmallows were all puffed up from the oven. They deflated and I was like, oh, they don't look very cute anymore. So I stuck them back in the oven for maybe a minute because I wanted to see if they would puff back up. They didn't really puff back up, but they did brown a bit more. And so by the time I took like the end pictures, they had kind of deflated again. And I thought, oh my gosh, they feel a little hard, but oh my goodness, they were delicious. They were like the perfect consistency. They were almost too sweet for me to eat, but s'mores always are. They were so delicious. I highly recommend that you try making this. They were super easy and fun to make. The kids can even put them together. My kids love them, but I think this would be a great recipe for the kids to kind of put together themselves. So definitely try this out. Let me know if you do and share them with me. And also, if you're not following me on TikTok, go ahead and follow me over there. I believe it's CaseyHelton. I will put the link up here or down in my description box if you want to follow along over there too. That is it for today's video. It was short and simple, but I have lots more coming, so don't forget to subscribe, and remember, I've got the whole house tour coming up soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.